Navien NR-210A Condensing Tankless Water Heater. The best Navien tankless water heater is the NR-210A model, which uses a pump and buffer tank with natural gas. The Navien NR-210A water heater claims to provide 10 gallons per minute flow rate in moderate climates with a 4.6 gallon per minute flow rate in colder climates. The downside is that it doesn't quite live up to this flow rate. The Navien NR-210A tries and offers a decent amount of water pressure in moderate to cool temperatures. But as soon as the temperature drops significantly, the flow rate also goes down considerably. As the best Navien tankless water heater, this model uses natural gases, which make a significant difference in your utility bills. You'll almost immediately see the drop after making the switch to this model. The Navien NR-210A is also one of the more reasonably priced options when you consider its size and flow rate.